Welcome back to Kristine Art Channel. Today we're diving into the world of art and exploring 5 different ways of how you can turn your passion into a source of income. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, these methods can help you monetize your creative talents. Each of these 5 income streams I use myself, have tried, tested, and have experienced, so I know about how they work. Before we dive in, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. On my channel, you'll find art tutorials, helpful watercolor tips and tricks that will help you in your painting journey, and cozy vlogs to watch with a cup of hot tea. If this sounds interesting to you, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified when my next video goes live. Let's get started. The first way of earning with your art is by selling original pieces of your artwork. And this way of earning is the first that comes to mind to any art creator in the beginning, including myself. This avenue demands strategic approach, dedication, and discipline. Here are some key steps. Develop your unique style. Find your artistic voice and create a signature style that sets you apart from others. Paint, create as much as possible so you have experience, went through failures, and are confident with your art and your creative process. Showcase your process. Give your audience a glimpse into your creative journey. Share behind-the-scenes videos or time-lapse footages of your artwork coming to life. This is always interesting for other artists and art collectors and gives a deeper meaning to your art process. Consistency is key. Post regularly on all social platforms to keep your audience engaged and promote your art on various social platforms to reach a wider audience and attract potential buyers. Galleries. If you want to go through galleries, then you need your strong portfolio to show to them. Portfolio will represent your skills and your style. Exhibitions and competitions. If you want to get noticed, then competitions and exhibitions are a really powerful tool to help you to get noticed by art buyers and other art galleries. And be patient. Get ready to be rejected, but don't take it personally. Each exhibition or gallery have their own vision, or competitions are really strict. Also, social media platforms have algorithms that tend to get in your way of success, but don't get discouraged. Keep working and things will get better for those who are dedicated and willing to work. Next up, we have selling prints, stickers, cards. This market is saturated, but you can offer something unique. For example, own your style. Develop a distinctive artistic style that distinguishes your prints, cards, or stickers from the competition. Maybe a new approach of presenting art prints or an interesting theme for stickers. Be creative. Quality matters. Be sure that you use high-quality products for printing, card making, sticker making. That way you will definitely stand out. And of course, marketing is a key element in all this process. Use social media, art fairs, and online marketplaces to market your product effectively. There are different types of online marketplaces that you can try and use for your art representation. Look up them, compare them, study them, test them, and then decide what will work best for you. Third way by earning with art is teaching online. Share your knowledge with others. You can teach painting online. For example, if you paint amazing portraits, you can create a digital course about that. Or if you know all about digital art, teach that. Share your expertise. If you excel at presenting your art on social media, consider teaching others how to do the same. Like, for example, a course about flat lay design, which many need to master, but if you know how to do that, if you know how to make beautiful photos representing art, you can definitely make a digital course about that. Expertise beyond art. Maybe you are a lawyer in your daily work, and you know all about artwork-related laws, You can teach that to other art creators. This is something that only few teach, and this area isn't oversaturated with online courses. Consider this one. Or your expertise is in editing. Maybe you know how to edit videos, photos, short-form content, then you can create an online course in that field. Art licensing and stocks are our fourth option in earning with art. Here how you can get started. Explore new horizons. Consider delving into pattern making, digital art, or illustrations. Possibilities are huge in digital art creation. Licensing opportunities. Look for ways how you can license your art to be presented in different products, like branding, product printing, or digital use of your art. For example, your art on fabrics, tableware, in the fashion industry, logos, etc. Last but not least, we have creating content on social platforms. Choose your platform. Select the social media platforms that align with your art style and target audience. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn. There are lots of social media platforms that can serve for your art purposes. Consistency matters. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged. Create a content plan and a schedule. Stick to it. It is your job like any other. And use social media wisely. Be aware of how you spend time on socials. Are you scrolling just for fun? Or are you working, creating, sharing, and interacting with your community like you care? Diversify content. Share behind the scenes how you create your artistic journey, your way of living as an artist. That is all super interesting for viewers. Like art vlogs about your creative life, about your creative style or creation process. Tutorials. Make live painting sessions on Instagram and YouTube, or choose on which you want to work only. Remember, these income streams require effort, discipline, patience, and creativity. Being your own boss offers you freedom, but also comes with responsibilities. If you have office work 9 to 5, you are working for someone, but you have clear work tasks to do, you are guided, have team meetings, which makes achieving goals easier. But when you are working for yourself, sometimes it can feel that you're working 24/7. You have to set your own goals, know how to reach them. Be consistently working with yourself for achieving goals, for moving forward and getting better. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your content, diversify income streams to adapt to changing seasons. I have months when mostly online teaching and online presence gives me biggest income. But then it can change, and art shop can bring majority of my monthly income. Also, being on different selling platforms is crucial to cover greater amount of audience. Constantly seek ways of improving and engaging with your clients and followers. That wraps up of our video of how to earn with your art. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with maybe your fellow art friend who also wants to turn passion into an income stream. If you want to know more about each income stream in numbers, how approximately you can earn, comment underneath this video. I will check, and I'm checking all your comments, and I really like to engage with you. Thanks for watching and keep creating.